On a surface and all good to this my video recording. Examine the interaction between the nation state and civil society, differentiating between local and global civil society. So the interaction between the nation and state and civil society involves a dynamic where local civil society typically address community-based on issue and directly engage with government policy, while global civil society, often represented by international and non-governmental organizations. Local Local civil society can advocate for national policy changes, while global civil society can change state sovereignty and push for global reforms, sometimes working in a parallel or in tensions with national interest. Number two question: do civil society and INGO strengthen or undermine the role of the nation state in international relationship? Why or why not? So, civil societies and NGO can both strengthen and undermine the role of national state in international relationship. They strengthen it by promoting global cooperation on issues like human rights, environmental protection, and humanitarian aid, often advocating for policy and complement state goals. Number three question: is the civil society genuinely separated from the market? Can its global future aid is separating from the market or not? Civil society is not entirely separated from the market, as many civil society organizations rely on funding from the private sectors, actors, donation, and partnership with the business, which can create conflict of interest or influence their agendas.